Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my secret to getting those soft crack-free feet. So let's get started. The foot soap. We'll start by preparing a luxurious foot soap. Combine the healing properties of honey, the nourishing goodness of warm milk, and the soothing warm water. Honey is known for its antibacterial properties, while the combination of warm milk and warm water helps to soften and hydrate your feet. Gently dip your feet into this soothing mixture and let them soak for about 15 minutes. This will help to remove dead skin cells and soften the hardened skin on your heels. After you've soaked your feet, it's time to exfoliate and scrub away those stubborn dead skin cells. For this, we'll be using a simple yet effective homemade foot scrub. Combine sugar, almond oil and a dash of coconut oil to create a powerful exfoliator. Gently massage the scrub onto your feet in circular motions, paying extra attention to the rough areas. The granules of sugar will work their magic by slugging off dead skin cells, while the almond and coconut oil will moisturize and nourish your skin. After exfoliating, it's time for a rejuvenating massage. For this, we'll combine essential oil and almond oil. The essential oils have soothing and antifungal properties, while almond oil helps to deeply moisturize the skin. This pampering foot massage not only relaxes your tired feet but also improves blood circulation, leaving you feeling refreshed and revived. It's time to give your feet the ultimate treat with a nourishing foot mask. Simply combine masoor dal powder, a pinch of turmeric and milk to create a thick paste. Apply this mask generously onto your feet and leave it on for about 20 minutes. Masoor dal powder helps to remove dead skin cells, while turmeric and milk provide essential nutrients and brightens your skin. Last but not the least, it's crucial to moisturize your feet after all the pampering. Choose a high quality moisturizing cream or lotion and massage it into your skin. This will lock in the moisture and keep your feet soft and supple. And there you have it, the secret remedies to achieve soft crack-free feet in 5 simple steps. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe for more beauty contents. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Bye bye.